Hello Nancy, so this is a lesson 7, all clear number 2, and it's all about recycling. We all do that, and I still know some countries where they don't recycle. So we did all this part. Okay, hold it, Kathy. What in the world are you doing? I can't believe my eyes. What's the problem? Well, don't you recycle? How can you throw glass away? Michael, I was only trying to help. I know, but I'm really surprised, Kathy. I thought you cared about the environment, and I do care, but there's no place to recycle bottles here, and I wanted to help clean up. You make me feel so guilty. I'm so sorry, I did go a little crazy. It's just that recently I did some research on pollution and found out that we are running out of places to put our garbage. Listen, you two. Why don't we all go through these bags and take the bottles out? I'll take them home and recycle them. Oh, you don't have to take them all. Why don't we each take a few? Yeah, good idea, Mike. Well, let's get started so we can all go home. So, hold it, stop, wait. Wait, hold it for a second. I have to move my hand. Are you okay now? Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Slowly now. Hey, you guys, hold it. We are coming too. This expression doesn't mean that someone is holding something. We often say hold it. It's an urgent situation to ask someone to stop or wait. What in the world? What on earth? What? With real surprise, shock. You can express surprise this way with people you are close to, such as friends and family members. Sorry. What in the world are you doing here? I came to surprise you on your birthday. The question words who, what, when, where, why, and how can all be used in a similar way to show different strong feelings. Notice the different verb tenses in the questions in the chart. Who on earth is calling us at 4 a.m.? So we can just drop all those guys. We can just say who is calling us at 4 a.m.? Surprise, anger, disbelief, fear. What in the world are you wearing? Or what are you wearing? Surprise. When on earth will they get here? When will they get here? Impatience, concern, worry, anger. Where in the world have you been? Where have you been? Anger, relief that someone is safe. Why on earth did they try to drive in this weather? Why did they try to drive in this weather? Concern, criticism. How in the world can we get there by 8? It's already 7:30. Concern, impatience. Okay. So we have all those examples above. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe what I see because I'm very surprised. I couldn't believe what I saw because I was very surprised. I can't believe my eyes. Why did you dye your hair blonde? Relax, it's just a wig. I can't believe my ears. I can't believe what I hear because I'm very surprised. It's a similar expression. I can't believe my ears. 6 months ago you couldn't speak a word of English. You've certainly learned a lot. Thanks. I study a lot. And my roommate helps me. To throw something away, to throw something out, put in the garbage. Trash. And also informal, to toss it away. Smell this cheese. It must be 2 months old. Throw it away. Toss it. Where are my old jeans? I threw them out. So through is pronounced exactly like through. Be sure to put the front of your tongue between your teeth and blow air to produce a th sound on the. If your tongue is behind your teeth, you will be saying a different word. True. Through. Through. To get rid of something, to take some action so you won't have something anymore. You can put something in the garbage or give something to a person or place that needs what you don't want. I know that you want to get rid of those old clothes, but don't throw them away. Donate them to a homeless shelter. That's a great idea. So cultural note or culture note. Let me just get there. In the United States, many people use things that are used. People often give children's clothes and toys to friends or relatives with younger children. Some people buy clothes at second-hand stores. We have plenty. And it is common to donate used items to help the poor. In your native country, is it the same or different? We're going to talk about that actually. Well, it's very short, very small. Let me just get back to Skype because today we used Skype. And here. To predict, don't forget this word, to predict things before everybody else. I don't know what to think anymore. I'm living in a moment I feel really lost about a lot of stuff. I don't know what you think. I think it's just, I don't know. This is a weird time. So, you have to be careful who you talk to, what kind of news and information you share with everybody, because you never know if your phone can be tapped, computer, your cell phone. Everyone is tracked down now. So, the boy predicted the pandemic 8 months ago. It's a Chinese boy. There was also this Indian guy, I think, boy as well. He predicted this stuff like August 2019. So September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 8 months, 9 months. That's weird. It's about the same time. Anyway, let's continue on Clear tomorrow. And we're going to talk about, I need to send you one file concerning the COVID-19. It's about the vocabulary. Anyway, you have an excellent night and I'll talk to you tomorrow at 9. Still one recording to go and I can go to sleep. You take care and see. Bye-bye.